Manipur joins the world in observing World Tourism Day 2019 on tourism and jobs, a better future for all theme. And Rajashri Bhagyachandra's Cultural Foundation begins 5-day celebrations of Maharaj Rajashri Bhagyachandra's 221st birth anniversary at Dwarka in Gujarat. Hello, welcome to Impact News. You're watching Afternoon News and I'm Premi Thaunjam bringing you the top stories. Manipur joined the world in observing World Tourism Day 2019 on the theme Tourism and Jobs, a Better Future for All at Longmai Ground in None district today. Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren, Deputy Speaker of Manipur Legislative Assembly K. Robindro, Minister Karam Shyam, Youth Affairs and Sports Minister Letpao Haukip, Chairman of Tourism Corporation of Manipur Limited, TCML, Sapam Ranjan, MLA Awangboy Nyumai, top police and civil officials attended the event organized by Manipur Tourism Department. Cultural dance and songs performances highlighted the event. People in the area presented traditional shawls, fruits and vegetables to the attending dignitaries on the occasion. Members of civil society organizations of the district submitted a memorandum to the Chief Minister to look into various inadequacies of the district. Locals displayed various products in a number of stalls opened at the event. Speaking at the event, Chief Minister Biren announced to open an international tourist center near None railway bridge. He stressed the need to develop tourism sector to create more jobs on the occasion. Manipur Tourism Forum, along with the Department of Handloom and Textiles, Government of Manipur Center for Entrepreneurship and Skill Development, Manipur University and India Tourism Imphal Office also observed World Tourism Day 2019 at Imphal Peace Museum in Maibam Lotpaching today. Speaking on the occasion, Chairman and Managing Director of Hospitality and Healthcare Industries Private Limited, Dr. T.H.W. lamented that tourism potential of the state is not utilized adequately. He stated that tourism sector is the only source of employment opportunities for unemployed youths of the state. He expressed disappointment at the lacking tourism infrastructure in the state, including deplorable condition of roads and bridges hindering visitors. Dr. W. stated that the number of tourists visiting the state has steadily increased since 2013. He maintained that around 1,16,032 domestic tourists and 5,247 international tourists visited the state this year alone. Claiming that the increased tourists is due to improved law and order situation of the state, Dr. W. urged everyone to create a peaceful and friendly atmosphere for tourists to boost the economy of the state.
Tourism har koina hotel gangta bubi ade. Hotel jina major ni moi laifam ne aduga right from hek lakpadagi moi transportation tor lakadani aeroplane lakpe bus na lakpe taxi lakpe madudagi dum hawrabani laktriganda moi travel tawagi planning ama already hawrabani planning tawam sei the tour operator gi role me am leire lakma tamda sai transportation dum leire la matung da hotel changa kan hospitality gi loina madui da mayam na moi bu seva tawdna khotna moi nungai na ba sinbirani purgi ningsang ba ya ba kari kari mai man to kari leibe airport che kari leibe ya se khar leigrani aduna adu saraga hingba kangbu din su mai business khar phangani aduna pull-up na chain reaction pull-up and chakop inagada pull-up and economy inagada aduna job creation da masimang na ne khoina tourism si khwaidagi chawba job creator amani na khoina haijiris.
Speaking on the occasion, President of Manipur Tourism Forum, H. Radha Krishna Sharma, stated that the event aimed to raise awareness about the tourism potential of the state to people, especially among the youths. He said this year's theme, Tourism and Jobs, a Better Future for All, is relevant for the youths. Handlooms and Textiles Director Lamli Kamai, Medical Superintendent of Seja Hospitals, Dr. Gendro Sorokaibam, Director of MIMS Manipur University, Professor C.H. Ibohal, and many students attended the event.
Handaki theme is yam chana ba tourism and job ko better future for all hai baneba sidai the satra da target to ba madaka leibra haina khan badagi akoina सात्र टारगेट तौसी करम इंस्टीट्यूट लेबगे हाइना थिकलकान मणिपुर यूनिवर्सिटी की होजिक सेंटर फॉर एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप एंड स्किल डेवलपमेंट हाइना अम लेरेको अदुदगी छात्र मयाम कौखचरे अदगी क्लासिक हॉस्पिटलिटी ग्रुप की को मयाम कौखचरे देन होजिकांगी मेडिकल टूरिज्म की लाइबा सिदसो अखोइना सिज हॉस्पिटल की नर्सिंग की स्कोप अम लेबसे सिमसु कौखचरे मयाम से ताहलगदी मोइदा अनौबा कनोमा पीगद्रा हाइबदुगी हिल्लमा
Rajashri Bhagyachandra Cultural Foundation began 5-day observance of Maharaj Rajashri Bhagyachandra's 221st death anniversary at Dwarka in Gujarat today. Devotees, after taking a holy dip at Gomati Ghat in Dwarka, performed ceremonial rituals at Swami Narayana Mandir. Taking part in the ceremony, Titular King Lesembasana Jauba lauded Rajashri Bhagyachandra for all his contributions in popularizing traditional art forms of the state to the world. He urged the present and the upcoming generations never to forget the late King's contributions. Spokesperson of Rajashri Bhagyachandra Cultural Foundation, T. Rabod, asserted that the foundation aims to realize the visions of Rajashri Bhagyachandra to promote the art and culture of Manipur. He said ceremonies will be performed at various temples in Dwarka during the 5-day event and prayed for peace and prosperity. Members of Manipuri Manohar Sai Sabha Odipok showcased Sankirtana at the event. 3-day refresher training program exclusively for oil tanker drivers on hazardous goods carrying for petrol TT cruise kicked off today. Indian Oil Corporation Limited, Malom Imphal, along with School of Driving Automobile Technology, Sodat Lamphel, organized the event at the conference hall of Malom Oil Depot. Joint Director of Transport Department B.K. Sharma, SP Traffic Police K.H. Sarma, DDO of Fire Service Nabachandra, DTO of Imphal West T.H. Dinachandra and Secretary of Sodat E. Ramesh graced the event as resource persons. Speaking on the occasion, founder of Sodat, T.H. Ibochauba, stated that the program aimed to raise awareness about certain rules and regulations to be followed by the drivers. Around 50 oil tanker drivers participated in the program.
Oil puba sida duki matik lure mai hong long pok thok pa ya ba ama oil ko ni no ko thau ji halaga tharuk pa matam da koi gi thau ji lik oi bana chingba mai tanker sida ko na gumba mana koi churu beri na chingba thau ga sai gi hek lang thuruk pa matam di yam lai na lamba phanga kani koi gi thau ji chigumba ching ji da gi koi chething thorang adigi driver sing na kamai troga gari thau ga da gi hai ba che sigi matang da ni koi yam kumna hoji koi gi resource person ching na mayam da tawiri ji chahi manung da mari rak ai tare refresher course 3 days ki ha hum kan na ga sumaina koi na ngachi program chi pangthok cha bani kari gumba da churu beri kwa haina chingba ayam ma koi ni sa je si season ra thorok pa matam de accident ji adum mapung phana adum thoi bo ji koi Manipur je aduna driver je koi gyan ta han ba habani chigi 3 days chigi manung chana refresher course piri je.
Thoubal District Police along with DC Office, Thoubal and Thoubal Municipal Council carried out a cleanliness drive under Swachhata Hi Seva campaign in Thoubal District today. Police personnel including police officers cleaned up police stations, outposts and the SP complex in the district during the drive carried out from 6 to 8 this morning. Waste materials including plastic items collected during the drive were carried away by garbage collection trucks of Thoubal Municipal Council for proper disposal. Director of Health Services Manipur, Dr. Kangunjam Raju, has urged the public not to be worried about the rumored outbreak of idiopathic disease at Henchung Punji village in Fairjol district, killing 4 persons since August to September 23rd. In an exclusive meeting with Impact News today, Dr. K. Raju stated that a medical team is investigating the cause of the death. He stated that as per reports received from the team, the 4 persons succumbed to unknown personal illnesses which affected liver and kidneys. He maintained that the Directorate has not received any reports about spread of the unknown disease in other areas. Dr. K. Raju stated that a fully equipped medical team, including lab technicians, will leave for the area tomorrow to conduct further necessary investigations. It may be mentioned that local MLA Dr. Chaltonlian Amo and ADC member Lahulsan sent a medical team immediately upon hearing the death incident yesterday.
ngasai tholi ba daina chi koi amukta da khato thobu nati mafam da digi matam ji kharga khenar ga thakai mu khenar ga thokpa kai no habse laina ji ko epidemic oina koi laina pak san he da tobu nati ba masi masagi anaba ama oiba dong na tori koi clinically koi na hoji test tawdi bawgi mamang ji dadi prejol gi semo site gi akoi ba digi doctor thajali loina na ba new life trust saina koi NGO masu atai da koi na ni ga thami moi mateng lor ga koi treatment satari adu ba heng dagi di koi center dagi i test tawna ba kit mayam puraga koi jiri gi lambi dagi torga sangsanggani mi paninga ji leite hojikte anaba sem ta leitre kai suwaniya leite masi kaino khoi khangna na detect soi tawun government secretary di moina gari pigani thau pigani hidak langta kit loi pigani dagi paisa pigani madu sangsan na ba noina tawya ba tawena adum principal secretary gi site gi adum wafam le
District Health Society National Mental Health Program organized one-day media interaction on suicide prevention at Hornbill Studio in Churchandpur district today. Speaking at the event, NES Vice President Gausonlian Samte stated that suicide rate in the village has increased since 2016. He reminded that stakeholders plays a major role in the prevention of suicide. Psychiatrist of Churchandpur District Hospital, Dr. Chingomang Guite, Director of Social and Development EBC, Reverend Jinmanswam, Councillor Rayburn College, Nimai Lelnim, Tombing and others attended the program. And on that note, it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on Prime Minister Narendra Modi gearing up to address 74th session of the UN General Assembly today. Keep watching. Welcome back to the break and you're watching Afternoon News. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will address 74th session of the UN General Assembly in New York today. The proceedings of the UN will begin at 6:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time. Prime Minister Modi is likely to address the session between 8 to 9 p.m. Indian Time. The Prime Minister is likely to highlight his government's key initiative towards poverty alleviation, affordable healthcare and steps taken to combat terrorism and climate change. Experts believe that Mr. Modi's much-awaited speech is likely to focus on establishing India's aspiration at the global level apart from talking tough on terrorism emanating from Pakistan. The Prime Minister's speech at UNGA comes at a time when India is ready to play a larger role on the world stage. India has made significant improvements in almost all international rankings and indices. India's permanent representative to the UN ambassador Syed Akbaruddin said that the country's engagement and outreach at the UN General Assembly will be unprecedented and will result in concrete, tangible, action-oriented outcomes. The process of filing nomination papers for Maharashtra and Haryana Assembly elections will kickstart today with the issuance of notification. The last date for filing of nomination is 4th of October. The scrutiny of the nomination papers will be done on 5th of October. The Commission has set 7th of October as deadline for candidates to withdraw nominations. Polling for the 288 seats in Maharashtra and 90 seats in Haryana will be held on 21st October, while the counting will take place on 24th October. The 5-year term of the Legislative Assembly of Haryana will expire on 2nd of November and Maharashtra on the 9th of November. Maharashtra has 8.9 crore electorate while Haryana has 1.82 crore voters. And now to sports news. In hockey, India defeated Belgium 2-0 in the opening game of the 3-match series in Antwerp, Belgium yesterday. Mandeep and Akashdeep sounded a board in the 39th and 54th minute to seal the match in India's favour. The second game of the series will be played tomorrow. International Peace and Social Advancement IPSA felicitated Manipur Thangta and junior wushu players at the multi-purpose hall of Kuman Lampak Sports Complex. Minister of IFCD and Yash Letpao Haukip, President of IPSA Joy Chandra Konthojam, Advisor of ICHM and Rajendro, Social Worker Y. Rohoso, and eminent sports person of the state attended the event. Officials and the players of the team who backed the overall champion of the 18th Junior Boys and Girls National Wushu Championship held in Punjab University, Chandigarh from September 15 to 20. The players bagged 15 gold, 5 silver and 7 bronze medals. 10 players who bagged 9 gold and 1 silver medal in the 5th International Thangta Championship held in Chungju City, Republic of Korea from August 31st to September 6. Their three coach and president of World Thangta Federation, H. Prem Kumar, who led the team, were also felicitated on the occasion. Speaking at the event, Minister Letpa Haukip appealed to various sports associations of the state to stand united for better outcomes.
Manipur da any discipline masana sing asida ani ahom thokpagi henabi thado asi habise gi achamba agi appeal akoi gi hogalai bana haron singi kari haigini train haigidra chakna kanglon haigidra magi chakna kanglon da hajiki mama da papa da paisa paidresu chakcha roi masidigi bai leidadi ikhu kathalani ka leidadi haigi kai bakara silaga aduda lesabi macha singna aduda tong chatma masi su thadoksi aduna akoi mayam changa kanda tungda hogulakadabana haron singi akoi gi samaj se society se kamaina toksigi si kok chungsanaraga afaba lambi da akoi samaj se puna ba honnabada akoi mayam gi ithodam chauna le haibase ahan singga su ai.
Before we end, let's take a look at headlines once again. Manipur joins the world in observing World Tourism Day 2019 on the theme Tourism and Jobs, a Better Future for All. And Rajashri Bhagyachandra Cultural Foundation begins 5-day observance of Maharaj Rajashri Bhagyachandra 221st death anniversary at Dwarka in Gujarat.